If you're having trouble unlocking Minecraft multiplayer, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing with friends in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or games to see if they function correctly. Step 2. Verify your account status. Log into your Minecraft account and check if your subscription is active. If you are using a Microsoft account, make sure it is linked correctly and that there are no issues with your account. Step 3. Adjust privacy settings. Go to your account settings and review your privacy settings. Ensure that multiplayer access is enabled and that you have allowed friends to join your game. Step 4. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in the launcher and install any available updates to ensure compatibility with multiplayer features. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your computer or gaming console can resolve connectivity issues. After restarting, try launching Minecraft again and see if the multiplayer option is now accessible. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock and enjoy Minecraft multiplayer. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance. Happy gaming!